All right. So this was the old data where we assumed that we had 10 artists with 10 songs each. And I bet you, just like me, you've got a way more different series of artists and songs in your playlist. So here's probably a more realistic um, group of songs. So you've got maybe a couple artists that only have a couple songs, but then maybe you have like a favorite band, like I got the Go-Go's or Rush or Divers that have a whole bunch of songs in them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to collect the same exact data. So we still have the playlists over here. Let me scooch it so you can see it better. There we go. Same thing with the playlists. And this was actually randomizing already while we were randomizing the other one. And you can totally see what's going on. When you have way more songs from, or repeated songs with an artist, you're going to have much longer runs within the playlist. I mean, just probabilistically speaking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this run a little bit. We're not going to need much more data because you can already start to see that the data is beginning to stabilize. It looks like wow, we actually, the longest run so far that the spreadsheet has seen is 12, and it saw it twice. So that means, if you think back to the artists, that means it's either Rush or the Go-Go's, probably the Go-Go's, that had 12 songs in a row. And this, if you remember from the article, this is what was upsetting people. They're saying things like, whoa, I'm hearing too many of the Go-Go songs in a row. Well, goodness, it's because you have so many Go-Go songs on your playlist. It's going to happen if the playlist is operating truly randomly. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here, and I'm gonna copy this data into a Google Sheet, and then I'm gonna have you calculate the average of this data and then drop it in for number 6.